Hi and welcome. Let us explore the critical and appreciation of Dust of Snow written by Robert Frost. It is from the NCERT textbook First Flight, which is prescribed by the CBSE for grade 10. Robert Frost in his short poem Dust of Snow depicts the healing power of nature, which is beyond human understanding. It transforms the poet's mood and feeling. The poet conveys a message that there is nothing that cannot be cured by nature, may it be bad mood to ill health or a persistent ailment. The poet was experiencing one such bad day when a crow's movement on a hemlock tree dusted snow upon him. The snow instantly makes him happier. His day gets a lot better. Thus the power and the supremacy of nature as a whole made him realize the pettiness of his problem. The fact that hemlock tree is poisonous, combined with crow being the indicator of doom and ill omen and fear, are used in the poem as the agent of happiness in the life of the poet, which is ironical. The poet, though through these objects, has tried to highlight that sometimes creatures linked with negative aspects of life can be the harbinger of change and happiness. The poet brings home the message that being outdoors in nature with all its unpredictability can benefit anyone, anywhere, at any time. The poetic devices used in the poem is alliteration. Example, S sound is in the beginning of both the words, which is one next to the other. Saved, some. This is alliteration. The rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D. Let us explore the rhyme scheme. The poem is given for the student's reference. The sound of the ending sound crow is repeated here as snow. Thus it is labeled as A and A. The ending sound me rhymes with tree. Thus B and B. So it is A, B, A, B. The ending sound heart rhymes with part. Thus C and C. And the mood rhymes with rude. This is D and D. Thus the rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D.